Life facts of eastern small-footed Myotis. Number 1. Appearance. Apart from their diminutive size, these bats have fur that varies in color from light brown to reddish-brown. Their underbellies are usually lighter in color. Number 2. Flight. Eastern small-footed Myotis are agile flyers. They navigate through the night sky with the help of echolocation, emitting high-frequency sounds and interpreting the echoes to locate prey and navigate in complete darkness. Number 3. Roosting behavior. During the day, these bats roost in a variety of locations, including rock crevices, tree bark, and sometimes even in human-made structures like abandoned buildings. Number 4. Hibernation. Like many other bat species, eastern small-footed Myotis hibernate during the winter months. They seek out cool, humid caves or mines where they can hibernate in clusters, conserving energy. Number 5. Longevity. In the wild, these bats can live up to 6-7 years. However, they face numerous threats that can impact their lifespan, as we discussed earlier. Number 6. Social structure. While they may form small maternity colonies during the summer breeding season, eastern small-footed Myotis are generally not highly social bats. They prefer smaller groups for roosting. Number 7. Dietary habits. Their diet primarily consists of insects, and they play a valuable role in controlling insect populations, especially those considered pests to agriculture. Number 8. Mating season. Breeding typically occurs in the fall, and females store the sperm until spring, when fertilization takes place. This adaptation allows for a delayed implantation of the embryo, ensuring that the young are born when environmental conditions are more favorable for their survival. These little bats have some unique adaptations that make them well suited to their environments. Anything specific you'd like to know more about? Eastern small-footed Myotis face several biological challenges that impact their populations and overall well-being. Number 1. White nose syndrome, WNS. This fungal disease has had devastating effects on bat populations across North America, including the eastern small-footed Myotis. WNS disrupts their hibernation patterns, causing bats to awaken more frequently during the winter and depleting their energy reserves. Number 2. Habitat loss. Urbanization, deforestation, and alteration of natural landscapes contribute to the loss of suitable roosting and foraging habitats for these bats. As their habitats shrink, they face increased competition for resources. Number 3. Pesticide exposure. Since eastern small-footed Myotis primarily feed on insects, they may be indirectly affected by pesticides. Pesticides can accumulate in the insects they consume, leading to harmful effects on their bats. Number 4. Climate change. Changes in climate patterns can affect the availability of insects, which, in turn, impacts the bat's food sources. Additionally, alterations in temperature and precipitation can disrupt hibernation and migration patterns. Number 5. Human disturbance. Human activities, such as cave exploration and disturbance of roosting sites, can negatively impact eastern small-footed Myotis. Disturbances can lead to stress, abandonment of roosts, and disruption of reproductive behaviors. Number 6. Wind energy. Collisions with wind turbines pose a threat to bats, including the eastern small-footed Myotis. The spinning blades can result in fatalities, impacting local populations. Conservation efforts focus on addressing these challenges to ensure the survival of eastern small-footed Myotis and other bat species. This includes habitat protection, monitoring and research, education about the importance of bats, and measures to mitigate the impacts of factors like white nose syndrome and wind energy development. It's a delicate balance, but crucial for the well-being of these fascinating creatures. Any other questions on this topic or related one?